Hi, my name is Ryan Lang with DENT Instruments. Today, I'm excited to introduce our new PowerScout FLEX Meter line. At DENT, we spent years helping organizations understand and manage their energy usage. With PowerScout FLEX, we've taken everything we've learned and built a platform designed for the future of energy monitoring. PowerScout FLEX starts with enhanced hardware capabilities. We've increased processing power, expanded system capacity, so the platform can handle more complex monitoring applications while maintaining the accuracy and reliability our customers expect. One of the most powerful features we've introduced is virtual meters. With virtual meters, you can create multiple logical meters using any physically installed CTs in whatever configuration your application requires. This allows you to monitor multiple loads or systems without changing or installing additional hardware. The result is greater flexibility, lower installation costs, and better visibility into your energy's data. We've also simplified system integration with a flattened Modbus register list. For integrators and software platforms, this means faster configuration, easier data mapping, smoother connections with building management systems and analytics platforms. PowerScout FLEX also introduces store and forward capabilities for our cloud-enabled meters. What this means is network connectivity drops, it will automatically store your data locally and forward it once the connection is restored. To bring everything together, we have completely redesigned and reintroduced a new software to go along with the PowerScout FLEX Meter called FlexPoint. Our FlexPoint software comes with a completely redesigned user interface that allows for more flexibility, better insights, much easier device configuration, and a platform built for the future of energy management. The PowerScout FLEX Meter line represents the next evolution in energy monitoring from DENT Instruments.